What is up? I remembered my wind muff. We are in the last 13 miles of the Great Cycle Challenge.
Yeah.
I feel very weird in this outfit. But anyways, other than the Great Cycle Challenge we're doing here, 7 miles into the 13, well, 7.2, whatever, into the 13 miles to finish this up, and we're cranking it. 2.7 miles away from hitting 13, and therefore hitting 200. Let's keep rolling, going. When you ride through MTSU, they have a bicycle and bus lane only. This is nice. We are 10.53 out of 13 to finish this 200. We are 11 miles. 2 more to go. All right, 12.3. We're in the last damn mile of the 200. And I, for one, am beat. Whew.
I am turnt, for real.
Whatever, I have no idea what he just said. Sounded like he said, I'm turnt, for real. Did I just get insulted hardcore, or like given props? I don't know. We are down to a half freaking mile of 200. I can't believe I actually did it. 12.75 miles is what we're at. 0.03 miles left. There it is. We freaking did it. Thank you so much if you kept up with this whole adventure. It means the world to me, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and all that jazz, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye.